and she steps forward. She has 8 seconds on the clock. Not the cleanest touch, but she does manage to score. And first blood for the Swatchi Bengal Tigers comes courtesy of the English player. The Yola Crackers have produced a crackling opening goal in the shootout.
Cool as you like, because she gets the goalkeeper to commit. As soon as Bartram started going down to ground, she was second best to it, and an easy put away in the end.
Now it will be Grace O'Hanlon's turn as she squares up against Frika Moyes. Jersey number 15 versus 15 here. Frika Moyes now steps ahead, and she goes the wrong way, but eventually finds a way to score, makes it a cakewalk in the end. Frika Moyes is absolutely ice personified.
That's a great recovery, because for a moment it looked like she had lost control. Grace O'Hanlon pushing her wide to the left, and almost looked like it had run out of the baseline, but beautiful skill and cool composure, just the way that she turned it back and tapped it back in. She had enough time, she knew it all the way.
It's the turn of the Swatchi Bengal Tigers. It is Beauty Dangdang who scored a goal in regulation time. Can she add one more? Not to be! Not to be! And the Warriors will celebrate just a little bit. Remember, there's a lot more to play for, but that from Bartram was smart enough.
Absolutely. Bartram has had a good game, and that's the confidence that she puts in. And she's also made up for a lapse in regulation time. It was her mistake which allowed Beauty Dangdang to score. This time, no mistake from her.
And now, an opportunity for Odisha Warriors to go one more goal up. Not to be. She's denied as well. It's Sakshi Rana who cannot put one past the goalkeeper, so it's cancelled out effectively.
It's interesting, every penalty taker or shootout taker thus far has gone to their right, and that's allowed the goalkeepers just that little bit extra. Possibly the tactic, the thinking being that the goalkeeper usually has the stick on the right hand, but it's just becoming predictable.
Lal Ramsiami now. Can she ensure that the Tigers get the lead at least momentarily? Not to be. Denied the first time, cannot get the ricochet, and the goalkeepers are having a really good time. Jocelyn Bartram putting in a second splendid save.
Bartram is absolutely bossing it currently at the moment. Just the way that she's set herself up and making herself a big target, and Lal Ramsiami just panicking very early in that attempt. This is a great opportunity now for Warriors.
A golden chance now for Sonika. Can she step up to the plate? Under pressure will be Grace O'Hanlon. Sonika strides ahead. She has time on her hands, and this time makes no mistake. Sonika brings to an end a drought of scoring and ensures that the Warriors have the wood on the Tigers.
The crowd loves it, we love it, and Sonika Tandi definitely loves it. And this time, for a change, she goes to the right of the goalkeeper. That's much smarter. Just making sure that you go with what the goalkeeper is doing and then preempt it and do exactly the opposite.
The Tigers have to play catch up. Grace Stewart, replete with experience. Can she make it count for the Bengal Tigers? She will, by virtue of a rip-roaring backhander. Tamati on, and Grace Stewart has stepped up to the plate, and how?
Yet again, a bit of a variation. Take it to your left, take it to the backhand. It's a very difficult skill to execute. But if you get it right, very few goalkeepers will be able to stop that. That's exactly what's happened with Grace Stewart.
It's tied at 2 goals apiece, and Caitlin Nobbs now has the job to step up and give her team the lead. She takes her time. Caitlin Nobbs again fancying the right. Looking for the backhander. Has the opportunity, and she's second time lucky. Keeps her head about herself, and that calm demeanor has manifested in goal number 3 for the Warriors.
There's a big shot coming up after this. Caitlin Nobbs recovering well. Grace O'Hanlon, just because she was down on the floor, that's made it almost impossible to recover. Now, they need to score this one.
It will be Hannah Cotter lining up against Jocelyn Bartram. The Trans-Tasman battle is underway. Hannah Cotter gives the fake the first time, weaves the ball around, takes too much time, and has she scored it just in time? Doesn't look like it's the case. And it's the Warriors that have had the wood on the Tigers. And in what's been a thrilling shootout, they complete a victory by the thinnest of margins. And this was the game stealer.
Absolutely. Good work from Jocelyn Bartram. That poke with the stick, that was enough. The 8 seconds had elapsed, and that's why, even though she struck the board, it wasn't enough on the night. And the 2 points belong to the Odisha Warriors. Probably on balance of play, it was the Shrachi Rar Bengal Tigers who had the better of the 60 minutes. But Odisha Warriors hung in there, they took the lead, and eventually they've taken the extra point thanks to the heroics of Jocelyn Bartram of Australia. Terrific goalkeeping from her, allowing only 2 goals to come in for the Shrachi Rar Bengal Tigers.
A recap of the results by virtue of a 3-2 edge in the penalty shootout. The Warriors walk away with a shootout bonus point, and that's all courtesy Jocelyn Bartram, the woman from Western Australia, who's put in 3 saves. Amazing piece of work, and it's a game that went all the way to the wire. The Warriors managing to clinch a close shootout, and the hero of the occasion is Jocelyn Bartram.